Malala malia ho e ke malele e tonga hono kotoa. Fia ke utalitali le ki mouton ke homo unia ngongo me le tio ka mafke television ni tonga ki he huani. Wakai koia ki he ngahi ulu i ngongo. Tolo ia tala tu uni ai hopo i he vai whafofonga kakai lolo tonga Tongatapua se misisika ia mui whafofonga malolo to ke ta uhla mulang fasi ke tok tala tu uni a pongi. Te tanke tongane whakatafa mama lahi ke whalelei o iako, o tai mo ai minista ko tukata mo ali o tunuku. Pea whailonga i he wike ko osi, ai kakato a hono pulusi, ai tohi lau konga ke ngawe a ke longa i whanau o iloa koe hina talela. E te iai pe me ngahi tala noa ke he anayangi, whataha me wakai ki he whamimitaha me he mala e o sipoti, ka uma afu ke whamatala ea, ka koe wakai lewa eni ke whaiki ki ko sinolita tui vai. Ko e makamaile ma ai potu ngā ako, mo ako ngā we ai ka watu atongani ki ona tataki o e whakatawha maman lahi ke whalelei o ako. Ni whakahoko ia ke ului ofisi o e kautaha ngai puri anga whakatataha i New York Amerika i he wike kua osi.
Whatatau ki he ongo tuku atu me he ofisi o e ampastoa a Tongani ki Amerika mo i whakafofonga atu mao ki he UN na e kawatu e minista ko mo ako ngāwe to ke tā mo ale o tunuku mo e pulelahi o e pot ngāwe i Skelioko ki he whakataha whakamamanahi koe ni aina tataki whakataha i ai Tongani mo i puleanga Antigua mo Barbuda. Ko e whakataha whakamamanahi koe ni na kawat kia e kau minista, kau taki ngā aue, me kau matao tau i he sektoa ako, ke wahe ke ngahi ngā aue e malawa ki nau whakatūtuu, ke teke ai ki mua ai langa whakalakalaka o e ako, tau te whito e ni ke ngahi whanua i ki langa hake pe koe Small Island Developing States pe SIDS. Lolotonga ai whakataha na whakahoko ai e minista, ai whakamatala me Tongani o kawat kia e hono aleai, o ngahi pole o whianga ngai mo Tongani, tau te whito i ke ngahi whanua o tu motu i iki, tau te whito i he whenga ke langa hake ha ngahi polokalama ako, e malawa ki le matua ke ngahi pole kehe o whianga ngai mo mamani i he lolotongani. Nei kawat whoki mo e ampastoa Tongani ki Amerika wa inga tōne, mo ni ihi me he ofisi whaka ampastoa, ki he ngahi polokalama me ngahi tala noa ni whakahoko lolotonga ai whakataha. Nei tau mua whake whakatahani ke teke ai ngāwe, ke ngā unu me he tala noa mo ia lelea ata-atape, kai lava ke hoko atu e ni ki he whao mo whakotūtuu, ha ngahi polokalama ngāwe ke whakaivia, ai ngahi polokalama ako i ha ngahi tūtuu ni ngāwe, ngāwe aki o teknolosia, pia mo whikawe aki whakawaha apule a ngā. Koe kawat koe ia Tongani mo i tataki e whakatahani o kune whakahātu tonua ia mahu inga o iai hale o e Pasifiki i ngahi whakataha whakamamanahi peheni ke whakapapau i o kukau pea Tongani mo i Pasifiki i he ngā unu whakataha ki mua mo mamani i he sektoa o iako.
O ko amanake ke whalawa teni i he ko silio i wahenga Nuku'alofa ki he hahake o Palo Alto, San Francisco, Amerika, ke whakahoko ai whamuoni alea pau ke whengawe aki, whakataha ai hahake o Palo Alto mo e wahenga o kolofo ou. Ko e whengawe aki ko e ni, ke whitoko ni aki ai ai ongo kolo, ke whakalakalaka o i tūko i kolo, ke pehefo ke whanua i ngai elia ke hepe. Whaiki ke talanoa ko ia ki Hawani pia molite a taukapo.
Na whakahoka e whaike eke makehe ai waa ngonga le tio mo televisione Tonga, mo se kei tarise niale ko slio e wahenga kolofo ou sione mo ala mafi. O ne pehe koe wholau koe ni o i kai ke whakatau mua pia ke whakamooni a lea pau, ka koe whekumi mo whengawe aki ke mao halelei whakaloku fua ai kakai o e kolo, kai pehe ke whonua i he ngahi e lia ke pe.
Ko mawhenge identify ngahi e lia koe ni o ku whaike e kulawe. Langa whalalak wha economy ka, koe training mo education, ka wai me te whaakon ke climate change, ka wai ke mo me uta whake he ke koni o ku whaike e langa whalalaka. Pea kulawa lewa whai a ahi ke ngai whaitu koe ni. Lawa whai a ahi ke ngai whaitu koe. O wai a ahi ke Stanford University, pea mo e apiako, o tuko University maho inga mo lahi ni i Amerika, o mauto ea o te whoke ta whaaki. I o kue apiako koe ni ue mo e apiako e o nau, ka wai le whakatoka no a koe he kalasi. Pea kotu wai whe tai aki, pea wai ni whe kau aki, pea kotu e lau ki whakalahi he ne ngai ngā oe koe ni. Kotu me me tatau pen mo mai le whakalanse, mo le whakapalangi o ko i Tongani, le whakasiapani. Ka koe ua pia koe ni wai ua pia ko kos identify, o mnau ngā ke le whakatonga no a koe he kalasi. Pea kotu ia e toko ni lai mo whe ngā oe aki. Pea kotu koe whe mahino aki he culture, pe tien lau lahi koe no respect ke culture pe pe ke fa va aki ai unanga fa fo o ku wa fo ki moe ni ki he nasa pe wa mo ngai ta fa koe ni ki climate change koe mo ta fa ko ya wa fe nga ak mo ki na tol e nga ai koe ni mo ngai ta fa ke he pe ai ku mo was identify his city council ko America ke fa ai ki ai ko hi ka lava ke mau fo ki mai ko ya pa na wa ai mai ke lava ke fa ha fa nga proklama a proklama eu foi lá que não benefit ai fa task force ki ai a proklama education with training e lá que fenga ak mo na tol ka ta tu so ke community ko ni pe kai ke ngata ka to e lava mo ta fa ke
Na toi pehepe e maala mafi, o kune tui pe ko whengau aki koe ni e malawa ke whakahoko haliliu ai ki e wahenga kolofo ou. Ke toko nia te ginau tol i he ako, businessi, poto i ngāwe, ka pehe ke tuunga whakaekonomika o e whonua. Neonga koe whalau koe ni e tok whaafisialia e whakamooni a lea pau whengau aki koe ni, kāna os whakamooni a lea pau i he konga ki mua o e tauni o whakafou i he interneti, ke whakahoko ai e whengau aki moe a lea pau ki he whakamooni whakaofisiale koe ni. Ko whengau aki mau inga eni ke kaha u me whakalakalaka o i kolo kai pehe ki e whonua. Mai ngonga le te o me televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Kua toloi ai tala tutuuni e hopo i he vai whafofonga ka kailolo tonga Tongatapu se misisika pea moe whafofonga maa lolo to ke tā ohila melang whasi. Ka hili ena na whapapau i mai mei he whakamauanga, ko toloi eni mei he pongpongi ni ke toki tala ai tutuuni i he taimhong folo a pongpongi. Ko e hopo eni i he lao whiliwhalea lea ai ne whakahoko i Novema o i tau ko o si. O kumahino kono whakailo en e toke tā uhila melang whasi, a se misisika i ngahi tokoni paanga ai kauta 5 star, ai o ona e whamili o sika. Ke polokalama whali ari whaiwatu o whanua ai Suliana Dance Academy i he tau ko osi, lolo tonga wā i taimina e kempeini whiliwhalea leai ai kaukanti teiti. Kai ke i he teimta tau e ngai hopo whiliwhalea lea, o toloi e pemo i hopo, ai whafofonga kakai lolo tonga ewa tahataha to ke tātani la fusmalohi, pea mo e whafofonga kakai ewa malolo te vitalawe mau ke to kamata moia a pongpongi. Kai ke he koiongo hopo ko eni e Moimoi e heongo ngai le te o tonga, pea e tok tukuat ahano whakaiki ki a moiange. Kua o eni ke toko tolungu fulmātolu e toko lahi whakatoa o i kaupuke i he meoftengi i he tō mahaki, o glolo tonga tō i he whanua. Popua aho mo i whaikiki.
I he ripoti whamuimui taha me he potngawe mo ui i he whiawhini, o whakapapau i ai koe toko tōlu eni o kukei i he tuunga o kwhema o ki kei tauhi i he whale mahaki, ai a koe toko tōluni o kunau i he whale mahaki Princesi Fuspala i haapai. O kukei hoko atu pē ngā aue potngawe ki ngāhi tū kuikolo, i whenga ki te whakamamawhai ki kakai e whanua i ngāhi whaunga whakahi ehi, ke malu i ai ki nau tonu me he mowhitengi, o la vai e nau a ahi mo talatala noa i hala o vave, mo hoi, kei peheki e pokalama makehe mo i kolisi amfo ou i he wike ko osi, kei pehe whoki ki he ako maalunga o tonga i he ahoni. O kei hoko atu pe whoke ngāhi ngāwe ki whakaauhai no whaanganamu, ka wai e whanata mate inse kite i ngāhi apio ki nau tolu ne puke i he mowhitengi, o au whoki ki he apiako e ni ihi o kauheni ai kolisi ko tupou. O wā o mai ki lo tongani o kukei hao pe o te eki halipoti o hamate tupu me he mowhitengi i he tō mahaki koe ni.
Pea koe makamaile e ni kilonga i whānau e whaiwhai ange, o ku naua o sia ngahi tala noa whakatonga lelei i he tohi laukonga. Nei whailonga i e wike ku o sia ka kato a honu pulusi e tohi laukonga i loa koe hina talela.
E whaamatala e toko tāna ne whau ai tohi, lupe ongo lata i la kepa, koe tohi laukonga koe niuk whakatau mua ki ki tāhini o kulolotonga mau, pe puke i e whaingata i e whakaesino, ai o iloa koe autism. Pehe e lata i la kepa koe kāno katoa i ki tohi laukonga hina talela, nei whau ia koe ako anga mo ako naki ki e toko lahi i e mahino koe le soni o ku whau aki e talanoa koe i kunai e helelei ai kovi. Lolo tonga e ni nei pehe e ana tuyo nuku me kautaha twinis Aia o kunau whakapaanga me pureanga Australia a hono pulusi e tohi lau konga ko e ni. Ai nau fia ke iai hakakai I Tongani o kunau ke ima nako ke whaoanga e tohi lau konga ke ngau aki e whanau.
No te rei whamalo ka te koe a whaiwhekau sela. Nau message pe aneu hu a pongpongia ka sela ke rakto ke aku whamalo e aneu ko hi ko ho whakakoloa ai ki roto whare ai whanau mo whanga makapuna 20s. Go in awe of your craft as a writer, and that's why we publish. Ki hongo matua Chloe, hoko ai ku ki mokopuna ko autistic. One of my grandson's twins, he's 4 years old. So ko me ani ko ofi ki ho koma no to vale. Pero mau fia ke popo I he whanau mo whanga mokopuna. Pero ko motolu koe kuna mo whatawa ki tohi mo motolu koe na mo whanongo mai. Ko ngā mataanga ne whakotu ai pe ki Chloe Fund he 20s ke toko nia e manage pe ia he tahine pule ako. Hono tauhi o ki I seniti ko nia tokon whakamahina ki hono tauhi o Chloe. Ko tala no mai pe usi whatanga ki a high skill mi. Pa si o lotor ki hoko mokopuna na taimi ko ke maa mea. Pea whaere pa fia tokon. Kai ke whamaro lahiat, pea whamaro at he mauwhenga mare o what.
Koe tohi lau konga koe ni o pulusia I he lea whakatonga me lea whakapiritania o whakataumua ke malawa e he longa I whanau o lau. Mā ngonga le te om televisione Tonga, ko auri tea tau kapo.
Uni o ngonga whaloto whanua pia ki Hawani. Te tau kaile wahen ke whamimitaha me he mala e o stipoti o kahili e ni pia mo pia oli e.
I he whetaki ni mai komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whaloto whanua pe mia. Malawa I ke whamawhora te mala e stipoti me whiahi Superapi Pacific Monoa Uano. Whamalo ke 8 minista me ka whaaki sipoti ai potunga we I whenga aki ua whakahoko. Malo mai tau ki whelonga ki koe whakahingi mala e o sipoti. Nei puka he timi matenga taami he lau si a hono whenga maari e ke area e ipue pataloni he ria e nau whapaulu e haulolo tonga iho nau mala e a ke kai koe taha tolu ki he walu he whakasinga o e wike. Ko I kuna ini ahi hifo I he konga uluaki e na vei pā mo kolomotua ke hipo e pataloni, pe he ki pāre paanga e ono awhi ai whānau tangata he pā ke hala anō. I hene pe he o ku whenga maari e hifo ke whawhikiki ke hipo e pataloni, he ria hono I kuna e kolomotua, ai ongo wainga kamata ko ia o e whiau hi hamusi ai pe hipo e tau ko o si. Rotonga ni, e toi whianga ngai e ngo timi he uho uhonga ko ia e whiau he wahenga Tongatapu, aia e whaawa whoke e whiauhini he tōna ki, pia mahino mi e taimi tēnā toi vei pā ai. Maina whoke me he ola e wainga, ai whipore e ango timi o I kai ke whaawao hatimi he waingani, ka nai ngāwe a ke hifo e whenga maari e kotoa pē, ke tāna ke toi poini, me he te tau e ua, mo aka tau tea e taha. Kage, nai tau whare I he timi whiwhine a hifo I kare whiwhine o kolomotua, I he tawhi mala e wainga e aho ake kai, ko e uanoa ki he nima. Ko e mala e pia o sipoti. I he whetaki ni mai komisoni whamawhora rea Tonga me potungau e ngahi ngau e whaloto whanua pe mia. Malawa I ke whamawhora te mala e sipoti me whiahi Superapi Pacific Monoa Uano. Whamalo ke 8 minista me ka whahi sipoti ai potungau e I whenga e aki ua whakahoko.
Ko pia o lia ia me whamimitaha me he mala e o sipoti, te tawa kaile wahen ki he tuunga o ea. Tuku mai me senta whamatala ea tonga I whaamotu, ai aku ia e whatokanga whoki, ko e o ia e palapalema wha teknikale I he wakaimatangi ko ia tonga, ka hukono tuku mai, ai anga maheni ko I whamatala ea I he televisione, ka e whakahoko a te whamatala ea, e li te atau kapo.
Koe whamui taha whamatala ea, iona tuku mahe taimi taha ho a tā oi ahoni, me he senta whamatala ea a Tonga I whaamotu. Whakatokanga ki ngahi wahe whanua, O ku tuku atu heni a whakatokanga uha lahi mo tā whea ki e vai whanua o wawau, ka oku kei tuu pē whakatokanga ni ki e vai whanua o iongo niwa. Koe whakatokanga hako na e tuku atu ki e vai whanua o wawau, hāpai, Tongatapu, mo eua, ko tuku hake ia ki e whakatokanga havili mālohi, whakatupu mau. Tu unga o ea, ko alo tā maki uha o ku toka i heongo niwa, pea o ke toenga o Tonga. Aia tene o mai au fia, moha uha tuu moto, moha mana. Lolo tonga ko ia, ko havili o ku wangi mālohi ange, mo hako me he hahake, mo tonga hahake, ki he konga lahi o e otu tonga ni. Whamatala ea ki toa po a pongpongi ki he otu tonga, ki hāpai Tongatapu mo eua. Angi mālohi ke mālohi ange havili me he tonga hahake, pe hako o tō taku ki havili mālohi whakatupu mau hangahi taimi. Au fia pe malawa ke iai moha uha tuu moto tō holo. Ki wawau, angi mālohi ke mālohi ange havili me he tonga hahake, pe hako o tō taku ki havili mālohi whakatupu mau hangahi taimi. Au fia mo pōpō uli e langi moha uha tuu moto. Lolo lahi a ngai taimi moha mana. Malawa ke tā whea ngai whei tuu mau lalo ange tupu me he uha lahi. Ki he ongo niwa, angi iki ke māmalo he havili me he toke lau hahake. Whakaau ke tekai havili o angi me he toke lau hihifo he pōni. Au fia mo pōpō ule langi moha uha tuu moto, lolo lahi a ngai taimi moha mana. Malawa ke tā whea ngai whei tuu mau lalo ange tupu me he uha lahi. Tuu ki he pule lulu, ki he ongo niwa, angi iki ke māmalo he havili me he hahake me toke lau hahake. Au fia mo pōpō ule langi moha uha tuu moto, lolo lahi a ngai taimi moha mana. Ki wawau, angi māmalohi ke mālohi angi havili me he tonga hahake pe hako hangahi taimi. Au fia i hangahi taimi moha uha tuu moto tō holo. Malawa ke lolo lahi a ngai taimi ihe hoa e fiafi moha mana. Ki hāpai Tongatapu mo eua, angi māmalohi ke mālohi angi havili me he tonga hahake, pe hako o au ki he havili mālohi whakatupu mau hangahi taimi. Au fia langi hangahi taimi moha uha tuu moto ki ngai whei tuupe eni ihi. Koe fua e mawhana ki Nuku'alofa, maolunga taha ki he ahoni, tikili Celsiasi e ua fitu. Maolalo taha ki he pōni, tikili Celsiasi e ua tolu. Whakamatala ea ki tahi, whakatokanga ki e ngahi potu tahi. Ko whakatokanga hako na e tuku atu ki e potu tahi o wawau, hāpai, Tongatapu, e ua, tere ki Tonga mo tere ki toke lau, ko tuku hake ia ke whakatokanga havili mālohi, whakatupu mau. Ka aku kei tuupe whakatokangani ki e potu tahi o iongo niwa. O ko tuu pe whalei tokanga ki ngai wakaiki he o ki tahi ki e potu tahi kotoa o otu Tonga. Whakamatala ea ki e tuapo a pongpongi ki he otu Tonga. Ki e potu tahi o wawau, hāpai, Tongatapu, e ua, tele ki Tonga mo tele ki toke lau. Angi havili me he tonga hahake mai le tahi e ua noa ki he ua nima ki he hoa. Pea hiki hake o au ki he mai le tahi e tolu noa ki he whānoa ki he hoa ngāhi taimi. Hou ke hou au pito e tahi a o ki ha mita e whā. A ke mālohi e peau me he tonga a o ki mita e ua tesimale nima. I kai lelei e wakai i he ngahi potu tahi o ku uha lahi tau te whito ki wawau. Ke potu tahi o iongo niwa, angi e havili me he toke lau hahake mai le tahi e hongo fulu ki he taha nima. Pea hiki hake ke mai le tahi e ua noa ki he ua nima ki he hoa hangahi taimi. Hou si e tahi, ha o ke mita e ua tesimale nima, i kai ke lelei e wakai i he ngahi potu tahi o ku uhalahi. Tuu ki he pule lulu, ke potu tahi o wawau, hāpai Tongatapu e ua, tere ki Tonga mo tere ki toke lau, angi havili mi he tonga hahake mai le tahi e ua noa ki e ua nima ki he hoa. Pea hiki hake o au ke mai le tahi e tolu noa ki he whānoa ki he hoa ngahi taimi. Hou ke hou apito e tahi, a o ke mita e whā, a ke mālohi e peau mi he tonga, a pongpongi, a o ke mita e ua tesimale nima. Ke potu tahi o iongo niwa, Angi havili me toke lau mai le tahi hongo fulu ki he taha nima, pia hiki hake ki mai le tahi e wanoa ki he houa hangai taimi. Hou si e tahi, hao ki mita e ua. Ika ike lelei e wakai ki he ngahi potu tahi oku uhalahi. Taimi hua mo mamaha e tahi ki Nuku'alofa ki he ahoni, maha toka e tahi i he hawhi ai wha e whiawhi. Tau maari e tahi i he toi miniti e hongo fulu ki he hongo fulu po uri. Taimi tō mo hopo la a mo mahina ki Nuku'alofa, tō e la a i he oskuata ai o no e whiawhi. Tō e mahina i he toi kuata ki he walu e whiawhi. Koe fua e palometa i he mala e wakapuna fua a motu i he taimi taha ho ata, na milipa e tahawhe mā taha nima tesmale e noa, pia koe hau o ea na e peseti e fitu ua. Paka whamumui taha pia e whamatala ea i no tuku mai i he senta whamatala ea a Tonga i fua a motu.
Whamatala ea pia ki Hawani pe me kakate pe mo uni o ngongo, mai le tio pe o maafu ke televiso ni Tonga ki Hawani. Mai iai whakaamune o tonu atu ki he loto whali o Tonga hono kotoa. Whamalo e tatau kei whi au mai, ka mō
Good evening and welcome to another week with Radio and Television Tonga News. I'm Papua Aho with your English news package for this Monday evening, May 4th. Today's top stories. The Minister for Education leads a delegation to co-host a high-level summit on education at the UN headquarters. Kolofa'o District Council members set to travel to the US for the official signing of Sister City Agreement with East Palo Alto, and 20s brand launch Hinatalela, a local author's Tongan version of Cinderella. Now in local news, the Minister of Education and Training has led a delegation from Tonga to co-host a high-level summit at the UN headquarters in New York last week, amplifying Tonga's voice in global education discussions. A press release from the Tonga Permanent Mission to the United States said the Education Minister, Honourable Dr. Moale Otunuku, the CEO, Iskin Yoko, along with Ambassador Vainga Tone and staff from the Tonga Permanent Mission, attended the Transforming Global Education Summit, where the government of Tonga and the government of Antigua and Barbuda were hosts, highlighting the island nation's leadership role in pushing for innovative, technology-enabled education systems that respond to the needs of small island developing states. The meeting brought together ministers, international organizations, and education leaders to focus on rethinking education as a key driver of resilience, economic development, and national sovereignty. During the program, Dr. Otunuku delivered remarks and joined discussions on the challenges and opportunities facing island nations, particularly in building more resilient and adaptive learning systems. This is an excerpt from the minister's opening speech at the opening of the summit.
For Tonga, education is not an abstract issue. It is personal, it is national, it is generational. We are a Pacific island country. Our communities are spread across islands. Our children learn in coastal villages, in other islands, and in communities where distance is not just geography. It is a development challenge. Our schools must serve children in normal times and in times of crisis. Tonga knows what disruption means. We know what it means when a volcanic eruption, a tsunami, a cyclone, a pandemic interrupts the life of a child. We know what it means when classrooms are damaged, learning materials are lost, families are displaced, and teachers must become the first responders, counselors, and community leaders. These are not theoretical risks for us. They are lived realities. But Tonga's story is not only a story of vulnerability. It is also a story of resilience, faith, culture, family, and community. This is why transforming education for Tonga cannot only mean changing what happens in the classroom. It must mean building an education system that can withstand shocks. It must mean safer schools, resilient infrastructure, reliable data, supported teachers, digital tools that are practical for island realities. It must mean protecting our language, our culture, and our identity while preparing our young people for science, technology, skills, livelihoods, and global opportunity. For small island developing states, education is resilient infrastructure. It is how we protect our children. It is how we prepare our workforce. It is how we strengthen our communities, and it's how we secure our future.
The summit aimed to move beyond dialogue and develop practical frameworks to strengthen national education systems through policy, technology, and international cooperation. Tonga's participation reflects the government's ongoing commitment to ensuring Pacific perspectives are represented at the global level and to advancing inclusive, future-ready education systems at home and across the region. The Nuku'alofa District Council are formalizing a sister city agreement with East Palo Alto in the United States, with a team from Tonga set to travel to the U.S. for the official signing of the agreement this week.
A delegation from the Nuku'alofa District Council is expected to travel to East Palo Alto in the United States this week to formally sign a sister city agreement aimed at strengthening cooperation between the two communities. The visit marks an important step in formalizing ties between East Palo Alto and the Nuku'alofa district in Tonga. The agreement is expected to promote collaboration in key areas including education, business development, skills training and economic growth, benefiting both local communities and the wider nation. In an interview with Radio and Television Tonga News, Secretary General of the Nuku'alofa District Council, Moimoi, says the visit goes beyond just the signing. Moimoi says the purpose of the trip is also to explore long-term opportunities for cooperation that will bring lasting benefits to the people of Nuku'alofa and Tonga as a whole. He adds that the partnership has the potential to support development in education, business, skills training, and the broader economy. Although the agreement was virtually signed earlier this year, the upcoming visit will mark its official in-person signing. The Sister City Partnership is seen as a significant step toward future development and stronger international cooperation for both communities. Reporting for Radio and Television Tonga News, I'm Litea Tongatapu.
Dengue fever cases have risen to 53 in the latest update from the Ministry of Health regarding the dengue fever outbreak. As of today, May 4th, the Ministry of Health says the outbreak continues to primarily affect young people, with most cases reported among boys aged 11 to 14 and the highest numbers recorded on Tongatapu. 3 patients are currently hospitalized at Princess Fuspala Hospital in Ha'apai, while no dengue-related deaths have been reported to date. Response efforts are ongoing nationwide, including public awareness campaigns through radio, television, and social media, as well as community outreach programs in villages and schools, with teams from the ministry conducting visits to Hala'ovave, Hoi, and Upfo'o College last week, as well as Tonga High School today. Vector control measures are also ongoing, with the ministry teams also visiting the Bow College as part of their insecticide spraying and cleanup campaigns to remove mosquito breeding sites and the distribution of mosquito repellents and mosquito nets to affected households. The ministry is urging the public to remain vigilant by clearing standing water around homes, take protective measures, and seek medical attention early if symptoms develop. And 20's brand last week marked an important milestone with the launch of children's book Hinatalela by local author Lupeongo Latailakepa, which is a Tongan spin on the tale of Cinderella.
At the launch, the author, Lupeongo Latailakepa, dedicated the book to her 10-year-old autistic niece, Chloe Kupu, who Latailakepa referred to as a remarkable young girl. Latailakepa says the Hinatalela book is aimed at not only sharing a popular children's story in Tongan, but also conveying the message of how goodness overcomes evil.
And as you know, she can't make it in today, but she's probably sitting in the car occupied with something. That's the way she is. But over the past years, I've learned a lot about autism from Chloe. The fact that most of the time she won't directly look at you. She will always glance sideways, and I sometimes wonder what she's staring at in that sideways glance. She won't respond to you if you cheerily say hello, so don't expect her as an autistic person to greet you back. I've learned that she's irritated by noise and loud laughter, and I found out that she can crave an odd item for months at a time, things such as salt. I think that craving lasted 12 months. So Suzanne and Nailati had to hide their salt in very, very difficult places, but she always found out where the salt was. And I was still thinking that she was on the salt drive until I said, oh, she's still eating salt. And then they said, no, this time it's sugar. And for several months it was sugar. And then after a while, then I learned it was ice cream. So it was, you have to have ice cream, otherwise she's going to throw a tantrum. And I think she's still on the ice cream drive. And then there's always the car rides. And tomorrow the petrol prices will rise, so in favor of autism, please can the petrol price not rise that high? Because we have a little girl who is calm because of car rides. But that's the way that a little autistic child functions. And I always admire the patience. I wouldn't have the patience for a child like that. I'm thankful that they have a cousin who has a huge amount of love. It's not tolerance, it's out of love. We all know as a mother of a child who has autism, however they come to you, love is not conditional. So your purchase today will assist Chloe's mum and dad to meet the demands of their autistic child and make life easier for the family. And later on.
Meanwhile, Anatoyo Nuku from publisher Twinnies Brand shared their appreciation for the opportunity to publish this book by a local author, which is important in this day and age for local authors to be empowered to continue creating reading books for the children of the country. Hina Talela is available in both English and Tongan and is sold at the MRM Foundation Tonga and Twinnies Publishing Office, and is also available at other bookstores in Tongatapu as well as on the Twinnies website. Reporting for Radio and Television Tongan News, I'm Litea Taukapo.
That's your local news for tonight. After this break, we'll join Bia Odia for the latest in sports.
Welcome back in sport. The Kolomotua Eagles have lost their opening match of the Patrons Cup Series, going down 13-8 to Hihifo Rugby Club at Halano Rugby Field. The victory puts Hihifo in a strong position to claim the title and the 6,000 Ba'anga first prize. Kolomotua were back-to-back champions last year, but now face pressure heading into the second match. If Hihifo win again during their Tongatapu Sub-Union tournament this weekend, they will secure the title. Kolomotua must win to force a deciding match. Meanwhile, in the curtain raiser, Hihifo's women's side defeated Kolomotua 20-5 to take the early advantage in their series. And that's sports news.
That wraps up this hour's news package, but before we part, here's a final look at tonight's top stories. The Minister of Education leads a delegation to co-host the high-level summit on education at the UN headquarters. Kalofa'o District Council members set to travel to the US for the official signing of Sister City Agreement with East Palo Alto. And Twinnies Brand launched Hinatalela, a local author's Tongan version of Cinderella. That's your news package for this Monday evening, May 4th. For more on these stories, you can visit our website at www.tbc.to. Join us again tomorrow for the latest local and sports news and weather updates. Now, for myself and the radio and television Tonga news team, thank you for joining us. Have a good evening.